Welcome to AlphaLabs, the all-in-one AI platform where you can turn simple ideas into emotion-driven podcasts and videos that truly speak, all created in just minutes. AlphaLabs is designed for creators, marketers, podcasters, coaches, and agencies who want powerful audio and video content without complexity. Now let's take a quick tour of the platform. After logging in, this is your AlphaLabs main dashboard, the central place where everything begins. At the top, you'll see a quick overview of your activity: total podcasts, total voice, total videos, total avatars. This gives you an instant snapshot of your progress. Just below that, you'll find quick links. From here, you can quickly access settings and support, so help and customization are always one click away. Scroll down and you'll see recent podcast creation. This section displays all your latest podcast videos, allowing you to preview, manage, and track your recent work easily. On the left side main menu, you'll find all the core features of AlphaLabs: podcast, voice clone, video editor, avatar video settings. Everything is neatly organized, making the platform simple and beginner-friendly. AlphaLabs brings together into one smooth experience, no multiple tools, no confusion. Now let's create your first podcast. Click on Podcast, then click Create New Podcast. This screen will appear. First, select your agents. You get 1,000 plus AI agents, and you can choose any agent you like for your podcast. Second, add your podcast script. Write the script for Agent 1. Next, choose audio. Select from 100 plus AI voices, available in different languages and genders. Now, do the same steps for Agent 2, select Agent 2, add script, choose audio. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate Podcast. And that's it. AlphaLabs will automatically create your podcast for you. Simple, fast, easy.
Today, beauty isn't just about looks. It's about healthy skin, daily care, and understanding what truly works for you.
Absolutely. When you know your skin and choose the right routine.
Hello, English learners, and welcome back to English Pod. My name is Marco.
And I'm Erica.
How are you, Erica?
Marco, I'm doing really well today.
You excited?
We've got a great lesson for everyone.
Yes.
Hey everyone, welcome to the show. This is Local Growth Playbook.
Hi everyone, welcome to the podcast. I'm Ryan, and with me today is Dr. Anna Lee.
Hi everyone, great to be here.
Now your podcast is complete. You're automatically taken to the podcast library, where all your created podcasts are saved in one place. From here, simply click on the three-dot menu on any podcast to edit the podcast, download it, or delete it. Everything is simple and easy to manage. Now let's move to the next step. Simply click on Voice Clone. Here you can convert text into AI audio or clone your own voice. First, add your script. Simply paste or type the text you want to convert into voice. Next, select audio. Choose from 1,000 plus AI voices available in different languages, genders, and accents. Or, if you want a personalized touch, you can clone your own voice. Once everything is ready, just click Generate, and your professional voiceover is created instantly. After generating your voiceover, all your audios are saved in the audio library.
Welcome to AlphaLabs AI VoiceOver. Simply type your script, choose your voice, and generate studio-quality audio in seconds.
Okay, wait, I'm already smiling and I haven't even started yet.
Hey, if today feels a little heavy, you're not alone.
Hey, I don't even know where to start right now.
Hey, are you ready for this? Because something big is happening right now.
That's the power of AlphaLabs voiceover and audio library. Everything organized, ready to use anytime. Next, video editor. Click on video editor. Now, let's create your first video. Click on Create Video and enter your video name. As soon as you do that, you'll instantly jump into the video editor. From here, you can start building your video from scratch using a simple drag and drop editor. Right top, under Templates, you'll find 100 plus beautiful templates across multiple categories like advertisement, e-commerce, learning and development, explainer videos, social media, and many more. Next is AI Studio, where you can use AI-powered tools to speed up your video creation. Then you have Avatar, allowing you to add AI avatars into your videos. With BG, you can change or add backgrounds easily: color, image, and videos for backgrounds. Under Visualizer, sync your voice and music with dynamic sound waves for a more engaging video. Using text, you can add headlines, captions, and titles with ready-made styles. The Elements section lets you add shapes, icons, stickers, effects, and more. Under Asset, you can manage your uploaded files. And in Library, you can search and use videos and images instantly. Everything works on a drag-and-drop timeline, making editing simple and beginner-friendly. Once your video is ready, just export, and you're done. That's it. You're now ready to edit and create videos inside AlphaLabs Video Editor. Next, avatar video. Create your first avatar video. Click on Avatar Video, then click Create New Video. Now this screen will appear. First, choose your avatar. You get 1,000 plus professional AIM avatars in different styles, poses, and setups. Select the one that fits your content best. Next, add your script. After that, select audio. Choose from 500 plus AI voices available in different styles, languages, and genders. Or simply clone your own voice for a personal touch. Once everything is ready, just click Generate, and boom. Your AI avatar video is live and ready. Simple, fast, powerful.
Hello and welcome. I'm Oksana, your AlphaLabs AI avatar.
Hello, I'm Sakura, a nurse with MGAIA.
Enjoy a rich library of digital avatars and voices.
Welcome to Blossom Haven, a floral paradise where beauty blooms.
Indulge in sweet delights at Sugar Rush Dessert Haven. Welcome to Sugar Rush, where every bite is a moment of pure bliss.
Once your avatar video is generated, it appears in your avatar video library. Here you can see all the avatar videos you've created in one place. Simple, clean, professional. Finally, go to Settings. Here you can manage your workspace, subscription, bonuses, tutorials, integrations, and support, all from one place. Simple and easy to manage your AlphaLabs account. And that brings us to the end of the AlphaLabs demo tour. Everything you need to create powerful, emotion-driven content is available in one single platform. No complex tools, no technical skills, just simple clicks and powerful AI. Your creativity starts here.